Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Losing access to your Apple ID password can feel stressful, especially when you're trying to download an app, access iCloud, or simply unlock your iPhone. But don't worry, in this tutorial, we're going to walk you through all the steps to reset your Apple ID password and recover your account, whether you still have access to your Apple devices or not. Let's begin. First, ask yourself this. Are you still signed in to your Apple ID on any of your devices, such as your iPhone or iPad? If yes, resetting your password is easier and faster. Step 1. Reset, using an iPhone or iPad if still signed in. First, open the Settings app. At the very top, tap your Apple ID name. Next, tap Password and Security, and then change password. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your device passcode. This is the same code you use to unlock your phone, not the Apple ID password. Now enter your new password, confirm it, and you're done. Apple will automatically update your password across all connected devices and services, including iCloud, the App Store, and iMessage. But what if you're not signed in anymore, or you've forgotten the password completely? That's where the second method comes in. Step 2. Reset Apple ID password using a browser. On any device, a phone, computer, or tablet. Open your browser and go to iforgot.apple.com. Tap Reset Password button. Enter the email address linked to your Apple ID and follow the instructions. Like type the characters in the image, then click Continue. And enter your phone number linked to your Apple ID. Then tap Allow, and you'll be prompted to enter your device passcode. Now, you'll be able to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong. Use uppercase letters, numbers, and don't reuse old passwords. Once you're done, click Next. And now your password has been changed. Click Done. This method is super helpful if you're helping a friend or family member recover their Apple account. To avoid this in the future, here's the tips. 1. Always keep your recovery email and phone number up to date. 2. Use iCloud Keychain or a secure password manager to remember your passwords. 3. Make a note of your Apple ID email somewhere safe. 4. Don't share your Apple ID password with anyone. Now you know how to reset your ID Apple password on iPhone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.